Okay, I'm going to teach you how to set up your assignment for your one-pager. So you're going to start with a blank white piece of paper. You're also going to need a ruler or something with some sort of straight edge and a pen or a pencil. So what we're going to do, and I'm going to tilt you down to my paper, what you're going to do is start with this white piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half. It doesn't matter if you do one way or another because we're going to end up unfolding it. I just need you to fold it in half. It could be hamburger style, hot dog style, it doesn't matter. And then we're going to fold it a second time. As soon as you get to this, we've folded it twice, we're going to open it back up. And you should be able to see, I don't know if you can see, you should be able to see our fold lines. So we've created 4 different boxes. From here, we're going to create our border. So what you're going to do is take whatever you have that has a straight edge, and we are going to create a border. It doesn't have to be a very big border, maybe an inch, half an inch to an inch wide. Same thing down here. Basically, we're creating a big box. Basically, we're going to create a big box. Like this. Connect our lines, and this is going to be or create our border for us to be able to draw something very beautiful on the outside. The next thing that we're going to do is create a box on the inside. It doesn't have to be large, it's just going to be a smaller box. I think what I did was 1 inch by 1 inch. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. We're just going to be putting the title, the author, and our country of origin in here. So it doesn't need to be crazy big. It's entirely up to you. Depends on how big your writing is, I suppose. There's my box in the middle. The last thing that I'm going to do is on my fold lines, I'm going to connect the smaller box to the bigger box. So then I'm creating 4 boxes for me to write and draw pictures in. So at the very end, it should look like this. You can then go and look on the assignment, and it'll tell you exactly what to put in each box, around the border, and in the middle.